Good afternoon.
Afternoon, ma'am. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing great. What about you?
I am also good, ma'am.
Okay. So this is our first meeting. So please introduce yourself.
Yes, ma'am. I I would like to introduce myself. Uh, Firstly, thanks to you giving me this opportunity.
No need
Because
to say thanks.
ma'am, I am
I
waited for long
explain.
time ago.
Yes.
My name is Rajni Negi. I am from Uttarakhand, district Herigadwal. I currently live in Dehradun. I am private teacher. I have two
Okay.
kids, both are sons. We are five members in my family, including me, my father-in-law, my husband, my two kids. If I talk about my qualification, I am postgraduate in commerce from HNB Gadwal University. Talk about my hobbies. My hobbies are listening music, love to play badminton, gardening, cooking. These are my hobbies. That's all about me.
Okay, that's nice. Okay.
And from
So how long have you, since when have you teaching?
ma'am, only 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah,
Okay. And it is a English medium school.
English medium.
So which subject do you teach?
Ma'am, I am a mother teacher of UKG class
Okay,
because I love to small kids.
okay. Okay. So, why do you want to learn this language?
Ma'am, I have many reasons learn this language. First is this is global language. Second is demanding language. Third is I am teacher. That's why I am learn this language. And I am passionate about this language in childhood, same as like you.
Okay, yeah. Okay. So, what do you do in your leisure time?
Ma'am, lazy time. Ma'am, I prefer to sleep. Sleep.
Okay. Okay. When you get free, that time you want to sleep. Okay. Okay. So, do you play badminton daily?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, sometimes.
Yeah, ma'am, sometimes in school
Sometimes.
and at home, sometimes.
Okay. So, okay, if you have a question for me, then you can ask.
Oh, okay. Could you introduce yourself, ma'am?
Yeah, my name is Kalpana Gangwar. I'm from UP, District Pilibhit. And if I talk about my qualification, I have done my Master of Art in English Literature from Bareilly College, Bareilly. And my interest is in singing, dancing, listening music, reading books. And at this time, learning this language is my hobby. And I am a mother of one kid, so that's all about me.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah. Okay.
Mm,
So have you
ma'am,
do you have you ever visited any other state?
no, ma'am. I don't visited other state.
Okay. So can you tell me your daily routine?
Ma'am, daily routine.
Yeah. If you are
Uh,
comfortable, then if you are comfortable, then you.
yeah, ma'am. Firstly, I get up early in the morning at 5:30. Then I go to washroom and take bath. And after that, I go to kitchen. I prepare tea for my father-in-law. After that, I prepare breakfast for my family. Then I go to school 8:30,
Okay.
and uh, School ends 2 o'clock. Then I come at home and take my lunch. After
Okay.
that, 4 o'clock, my kids tuition. I give tuition at my home, and 5:30 close my tuition. That's my daily routine.
Okay. Okay. And in weekend, anything special?
Yeah, ma'am. No.
No. Okay. So, when I talked to you before, then you told me who is a freedom fighter in your family?
Yes, ma'am. My grandfather, ma'am.
Your grandfather. Okay.
My father-in-law be army person. My husband also army person, and my grandfather is also army person.
Okay. 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 So,
Okay, ma'am. Can I ask you some question?
yes, you can ask.
Okay, ma'am. Why are you learn this language?
As you told, I am passionate about this language since my childhood. And second thing is, if I would be able to speak in English fluently, then I want to teach English. So that's why
How was your practice going on?
my practice is good. Yeah.
How old are you? You have a son. You have any kids, ma'am?
Yes, I have a son, and he is 10 years old.
Which class does
He
study?
is sixth standard. Yeah.
How old is? How old are
Uh,
is he?
he is 10 years old.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Mm.
And he's very naughty. He doesn't take interest in study.
Yeah, same
He
here, ma'am.
always
My
to play.
yeah, ma'am. I have two kids. Yeah, he's very naughty.
Yeah. ज्यादा हो पाता है.
मैम ऐसे ही ना फर्स्ट टाइम हो रही है आपसे कन्वर्सेशन तो माइंड मतलब कुछ भी याद नहीं आ रहा क्या बोलना है कैसे बोलना है बस
बात नहीं
आई
वो
एम
हो
वेरी
जाता. Okay. So have you taken any other session?
नो
Uh,
मैम
this is your first conversation, and this is a good thing you are trying to speak in English. Yeah, and try to connect with the others, and in this way you can learn easily. Yes. Okay. I thought you have taken any other session with anyone. Okay.
anyone ma'am mostly I like videos ma'am I see Mansi ma'am and ma'am and Mansi ma'am and you and Dihati ma'am your
Okay.
Mansi ma'am and Dihati ma'am I like your videos.
What do you do for to learn this language at this time? When you get time, then
Some motivational videos and which content related to English and kids story. That's all.
yes, kids story is the for a beginner. Kids story is the best because you can learn easily
Yes,
from
ma'am.
this. Yeah, and okay,
Talk
and
about
then
ma'am. Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
when
Talk
you get
about
time, listen speeches. You
Yes.
should try to listen speeches, reading. And
Yes, ma'am.
do you like dance?
Yeah, ma'am. Not like, but I do party, sadi, in
Okay.
not.
Okay. Okay. So do you like cooking?
Yeah, ma'am. I like cooking.
But I don't like. Yeah, well, I have to cook, but I don't like. But means it is not my hobby.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, some person has this kind of hobby, make different kind of things to prepare different kind of things. Yeah, but I can make delicious food.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's good, ma'am.
So
Okay, ma'am. Which type things do you enhance your English, ma'am?
I listen speeches.
Teaches.
I listen speeches and I watch Sumita Rai's video.
Mita Rai.
Yeah,
Okay, ma'am.
Impact Foundation. When I
Oh,
started my channel, that time I listen speeches of Sumita Rai ma'am.
okay, okay.
Yeah, and you can if you listen all these speeches, that you can means learn very easily, and you can understand
Okay, ma'am.
her language. Yeah, she
Okay, ma'am.
speaks very well and very soft in a very polite way. Yeah.
So, how many session in a day, ma'am?
I take it 1 or 2 sessions.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah. And if you want to learn this language, then you can try any other application like S Fluency, B Angrez application.
Okay.
And yeah, you can practice with co-learners, and you can learn how to ask question and how to reply. When we talk others, then we can then we are able to understand how to reply and how to ask questions.